What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Tim Reviews Everything. Guys, if you're new to the channel, I welcome you. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, if you could do that, hit the notification bell so you know when I post videos. Guys, any questions on the products, leave a comment in the comment section. And guys, if you can give me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing a dash cam, so let's get to that. All right, guys, so here's the Toguard Dash Cam. Guys, I cannot stress enough. Go on YouTube, type in dash cam videos, and just watch all the crap that happens on the road today. I mean, you see it every day. Yeah, guys, more than ever, there's so many distractions on the road. It's just absolutely ridiculous. Everyone's in a hurry. Everyone's flying. Everyone's cutting you off. To have peace of mind with this thing is unbelievable. For the short time I've had this thing in my car, I cannot tell you how many things I have captured on my dash cam that where if it was an accident, I have it. I have it on my dash cam, and it's, like I said, just peace of mind. The amount of YouTube videos out there of people with fraudulent claims. I mean, guys, these dash cams, I'll go, like I said, go on the dash cam video with fraudulent people trying to commit fraud, and people like backing up into you, saying you rear-ended them. People running off the road, saying you ran them off the road. People jumping on people's cars and then saying that you hit them. So absolute peace of mind with this thing. Not to mention whenever your kids start driving, this camera has a cabin cam. So, you know, it's 1080p when you're looking out the window. It's 720p looking in the window. This one has night vision. I do work night shift, and I wanted to get the ones for night. So I was able to see in and out with no problem with night vision. I'm going to be showing you video in a little bit here so you guys can see the quality of the video. You know, but when my daughter starts driving, you know, this is just going to keep her honest. You know, they're kids. You know, you make mistakes. We all made mistakes whenever we started driving. I had 3 accidents my first year when I started driving because I was an idiot. And we didn't even have cell phones back then. You know, if we did, they were not ones that you could text on. So, you know, but this just keeps you honest. You know, if you have a cabin cam on you all the time that has a timestamp on it, so I know if she shuts it off or not, this is going to keep her honest when she starts driving. So, guys, I bought 2 of these, one for my wife's car, one for my car. Installation is pretty easy on this thing. Each card took me a little bit under 5 minutes. They give you a really long card. They give you this little tool. This little tool is enough just to pull your headliner down. They give you 2 mounting brackets. You could use one where you twist and it suction cups onto the window, or they give you one that has a sticky thing that sticks on the window, almost like what your mirror is. So once it sticks on, it's going to stick on there pretty good. I used a suction cup on both of mine. And guys, you suction it on, you find a good place that you want it on your window. I bought the slender one because I didn't want that square in there. I didn't want the square in there. I bought a slender one that comes down below my mirror so the cabin cam is able to see us inside. So you put this on, you put it on the window, and you're just going to pull your headliner down, and you're just going to tuck the cord up on the headliner. Once you get to the plastic piece between the door and the window, you know, I was able in my car to get it behind with this tool. I was able to get it behind there. Now, my wife's car was a little bit more stubborn. So if you do have a stubborn plastic piece coming down the side of your window, they give you these little clamps that they stick on the window, and then the wire goes within there. Guys, if you have this real close to there, you're not even going to notice it. So once you get it down to the dash, you're going to go through the back of the glove box. There's a gap that goes in the back of the glove box. Your wire is going to go through the back of the glove box and then come out and go into your cigarette lighter. I do want to tell you, you know, just remember, guys, if your cigarette lighter stays on like my car, make sure you unplug it, okay? Because you do not want to drain your battery while you're not using it. If you're parked for a long period of time and you're not using your car, you do not want to drain your battery. So make sure you unplug that cigarette lighter if your cigarette lighter stays plugged in. You should know that with your phone charger or not. My wife's car shuts off, so she don't have to worry about it. This does have a looping system on it. You know, you could set the time on how, you know, what you want it to loop for. I just let it run. Mine runs for a couple days, which is probably a couple hours worth of video before it loops over and starts replaying. So my advice is something does happen while you're driving and you need that video. If you still have a long way to go driving, my recommendation would be to just shut it off so it doesn't record anymore, so you have that video stored on there. If you are close to being home, then just download it on your computer. They do give you a USB cord to use, but you're also going to need a micro SD card that does not come with this camera. So the camera itself is $69.99 on Amazon, and the SD card is $9 for a 2-pack. They do ask for a specific SD card. It is a micro class 10 SD card. Both the camera and the SD card will be in the description below. So it does come with an adapter, so you put the micro SD card into the adapter and then put that onto your laptop or computer. As soon as you put that adapter into your computer, a screen's going to pop up where you can download your videos onto your computer. Very easy to do. It does have motion detection on it, so whenever you're parked, remember guys, it stores so much battery life inside the unit itself. So when you're parked and someone walks in front of the car or your car shakes, it's going to turn on. The camera's automatically going to turn on and start recording if you want that for your feature. But remember, just don't leave it plugged into the cigarette lighter. You don't want to drain that battery. It has a 1.5-inch LCD screen. Like I said, guys, it's a little hard when you're viewing in the car because the screen is so small. But once you put that footage onto the laptop, it's not bad. You're going to be able to see with no problem. So let's see some video. Okay, so I'm going to show you video right now. This is video right now. I'm at a red light. You know, I just want to give you guys look at. I mean, you could see the wide angle on this. I mean, this really kicks out some really good video. So this is daytime running. And here's the inside cabin cam. As you can see, my kids are there. Sorry about the mask hanging in my daughter's face. They're probably not going to be too happy they're on camera right now. But a little clip on the inside cabin cam so you guys could see that. It does capture audio. I do have the audio turned down right now, so I could talk over. But it does capture audio. And now here's this morning on my way home from dropping my kids off at school. It's dark outside. I had a deer come out in front of me today, so I'm going to show you that footage right now. The headlights in my face, I'm glad that he was not, because guys, it's real hard at night and you can see the deer walking out here. You know, I'm glad those headlights were in my face when this deer decided to walk out in front of me. So at the same time, here's the cabin cam. Once again, audio's down. I actually swore whenever this deer came out in front of me. All right, guys, before I go, I just want to show you real quick. I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to hold the power button on. It's going to turn on. When you're driving with this in your car, the screen will be on for about a minute, then it shuts off. But it's still recording. There'll be a little blue blinking light up here. Guys, it has a power button, okay, and it has to scroll through the menu. Here's the menu. I'm sorry. There's the menu. You know, you could set all your time, date, everything on here, looping, motion detection, everything is scrolled through here. Let's go back to here. You can see the cabin cam right here, and then there's the front cam. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this twice to view the video. You'll hear it beep, and then hold it one more second, and then you're going to see video. Now I can scroll through my videos. I have mine set on 2 minutes. So every 2 minutes, it's going to go through video. And if I want to play it, I hit OK. I'm in a parking lot here, so there's not going to be any motion here. Okay, so I'm going to pause this. And if I want to get to the cabin cam, you hold the left button for that second. And now I'm going to be able to view inside the cabin. And that's pretty much how you view the video on here. The SD card goes in right here, the little micro SD card. You push it, you're going to get your fingernail in there to push it to take it out. And then you put this into the adapter, then put it into your computer. And I'm going to turn this off. So like I said, guys, cabin cam and the other cam. So guys, that's it for today. Like I said, man, peace of mind. I cannot stress enough. Go on YouTube, watch some videos, and you're probably going to be purchasing this thing tomorrow. $80 out the door with the camera and the SD card. And I'm telling you, I love this thing. This is probably one of my favorite reviews. Favorite thing that I have. It's a must. And guys, I really appreciate you guys for tuning in and watching my videos and supporting my channel. Guys, if you are not subscribers to my other channel over on Step One Finance and you guys are looking for, I'll be updating the third stimulus check, you know, and stuff to that nature. But my main goal on that channel is to help you guys get out of debt. If you want to, you know, subscribe to that channel too, I'd appreciate it. Guys, once again, have a good day and I will see you next time.